Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So in order to share your Instagram story to Facebook story, the process is very much simple. So before we get started, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. So let's get started. First of all, just start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram. Here we go. Then after also make sure your Instagram account is connected with your Facebook account. Then simply go to your story. Just tap on your story here from at the top. Just click on your story, and here at the bottom you can see the icon of Facebook. Just click on this icon and click on this share once option, or if you want to share your Insta story always on your Facebook stories, just click on this share to Facebook every time option. But here I'm going to share this once only, so I'm going with this share once option. That's it, the changes have been done. Now your Instagram story has been shared to your Facebook story. You can go to your Facebook and check the story has been shared on your Facebook as well. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like this video and subscribe this channel as well. Thank you for watching.